Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to translate document in Google Docs. So let's just begin. Alright, so as you can see here that we are already inside the Google Docs and we have this document, a kind of a letter. Now to translate this into another language, what we have to do, we have to click on tools and you will be able to see the option of translate document. So we have to click on that. And here we can add a new document title for our translated document. So I would name it as translated letter and I will change this into French. So now we'll actually choose the French here. So we have to click on French. Now let's click on translate. And now you'll be able to see a new document which has the translated version of our letter. This is actually the translated version of our original letter here. So as you can see here, this is our original one and this is the translated one. So this is how we can translate language in Google Docs. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.